Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is World Youth Skills Day. Every year, World Youth Skills Day is observed on 15th of July to highlight the importance of youth skills development to tackle the challenges of unemployment and underemployment. The day was designated by the United Nations General Assembly in 2014 and was observed for the first time on 15th July 2015. The initiative emphasizes the role of skills development in fostering innovation, productivity, and social inclusion. It aims to bridge the gap between education and employment and better integrate youth into the workforce. It encourages governments, educational institutions, employers, and organizations to invest in training, education, and initiatives that enhance the skills of young people. The theme for this year is Youth Skills for Peace and Development, which underscores the crucial role young people play in peace building and conflict resolution. Future projections estimate that 600 million jobs will be required by 2030 to meet global youth employment demands. Let's now discuss the Skill India Mission. The Skill India Mission is a flagship program implemented by the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. The mission aims to empower the country's youth by providing them with skills and training to enhance their employability. The various schemes under it are Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, Jan Shikshan Sansthan Scheme, National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme, and Craftsman Training Scheme. Now's the time to test your knowledge. The question is, the World Youth Skills Day is observed every year on which day? 15th June, 10th July, 15th July, or 15th August? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.